Bitcoin, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to what analysis in my last video, since the price was within here, we mentioned we can expect this one to give us attempted DP correction in relative to what we have here. That's why we come up with these lines. As we can see, exactly the price drop to 42160 as what we expected. All right, exactly the price tag, and it couldn't break, and we know want to see whether we can see the reversal. If not, the price consolidated here, and with the breakout of 42160, we can expect the price drop to 40360. Okay, anyway, as what we expected, the price drop. No one see what's the next, and we don't at this point we don't have any trade set up either for buy or sell unless we trade based on lower time frame. Based on daily chart, we're looking for the reversal, but as I see, we don't have any trade set up. And as we can see, based on forward chart, price exactly dropped, because when the price even was within here, I mentioned we can expect to get one more drop at least. All right, that's why I mentioned with the breakout of this low, we can put a warrant tree above here. And as we can see, price drop and tag 42160, there was no breakout, and the way is reversing is very corrective. Now, whether we should look for buy or sell, okay, even we can expect the price drop somewhere, and even we mentioned we can expect the price drop to somewhere around 38k. That's mean if you want to look for sell, we can look for buy the short term. And even in my last analysis, I mentioned the only way to look for sell is to put a warrant tree below this. And if anyone get the sell after they see there is no breakout from, and the price couldn't break 42160, this is where they should take out the trade in the break even. And even at this point, they can take out the trade in the break even if they still are keeping the trade. That's mean we can expect the price drop some more. This one can turn to a deeper correction, but as any sell is a short term. And even if anyone wants to look for sell from here, the only way is to put in their entry below this. It depends on them. It's not a really good idea, and it's not a really good trade. It's just short-term trade. By the way, if we put this low in relative to the previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence, but MACD, we cannot refer to the divergence as well. And from what I can see here, we can expect this one turn to flat. Even we can expect to see then one more drop. Okay, but how to look for trade? As I explained in my last analysis, the only option at this point is to put a warrant tree above desktop. All right. Rather than that, we have nothing else to discuss based on forward chart. And if we move to 1 hour chart, and even based on a 1 hour chart, if we put this low relative to the previous one, and if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence, and as well here. The divergence, it doesn't mean the price can reverse from here. Okay, even if the price reverse from here as a corrective, you're not really interested to look for sell. The only thing is we see the reversal as a short move. That's why, as I mentioned, based on forward chart, the only option is to put a warrant tree above this. Unless we see the sharp move following by flag with the breakout of the previous stop, this is where we can look for the next. I mean, we can look for the trade setup for buy. But from what I can see here, still we can expect for that one more drop. This means still we can expect the price to be within downtrend before we see the reversal. And what we're looking for, we're looking for buy, and the sell is a short term. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.